But let me tell you something. It is going to be messy, it is going to be noisy, and it is going to have casualties. It is going to have casualties, I can promise you.
The first casualty.
Yeah, and we can see it is getting smelly already. From the way Parliament is being handled, it is getting smelly. We don't feel any broad-based arrangement in Parliament.
No,
there is nothing. Broad-based is in the executive only. Parliament has no broad-based mechanism. We are not there. So, my fellow, with the permission of my fellow colleagues, I have told you, going forward, it's not going to be business as usual.
Correct.
And we have withdrawn our members from the House Business Committee.
Yes.
I am sure they have just said, as many of that opinion, we will whip them if they put them there. Yes. They will have their own House Business Committee, their own.
Yes.
Which will also challenge in court, in public, in private, everywhere.
So the Speaker, and that what Parliament does cannot be questioned. That is not correct. Otherwise, we would as well bury the concept of separation of powers, which operates under a system of checks and balances.
It's a creation of the Constitution.
Yes, Parliament is a creation of the Constitution, and so we must follow the Constitution. If we go against the Constitution, the courts have to put us back in line, whether we agree with the court or not. As AZIMIO, we have disagreed with the court many times before, but we have respectfully agreed. Disobeyed.
Including the Supreme Court.
Exactly.
The presidential elections.
Including the ones who are calling us all there and all those. But we respectfully disagreed with them, but we have not disrespected them. But having said that, I also